Hi everyone, my name is Jeff. I'm with Accurate Lock, and this is our Invisi-Mount pocket door hardware. So what does Invisi-Mount mean? It's a fancy way of saying invisible fasteners. And when I say invisible fasteners, this is the exterior side of a privacy set. We have concealed screw version, which you'd actually see screws like down here. This has no screws, no fasteners at all. And we fasten rare earth magnets to the back side of the trim. So this would be the exterior side. This is the interior thumb trim. And we have rare earth magnets. So what do the rare earth magnets do? I know everyone knows what magnets are. So this is the lock body installed in a door. You can see the prep. We don't need these holes anymore like you would on this version. See those holes? So we don't need these holes, but basically the magnet, simply, I just line up the turn piece, line up the little turn piece here, and the magnet snaps the part into place, and I cannot get this off. I have to actually use a small little screwdriver to pry. So this is very, very secure, very stable. And the beautiful thing is, there's a slight bit of up and down, left and right of this flush pull, which prevents binding. So binding can happen when the spindle is not centered inside the hub of the lock case. So this would be the inside. This would be the unlock position. That would be the thrown position. So watch when watch the rare earth magnets. Line this up. See it just snap into place. And so there's never any more binding. There's no more need for screws to go down and bite into some MDF doors. These screws were a problem. They didn't really hold that well. And there is no adjustment needed for binding because these naturally find their own position in the door. So there's a very slight amount of movement. So that is the Invisi-Mount pocket door set. I might want to mention that that's the quiet locking bail versus the traditional bail. Quiet, traditional. So Invisi-Mount is also available in all of our 2002 series flush pull designs.